Hi guys, welcome to our channel, Babes Life in the US. Hi guys, good morning and welcome to Babes Life in the US. Very windy, I look. So windy. Windy. Look at that. Usually it's rain a little bit more. But I think it's not enough. Very humid, very hot. Today is May 26, I think. Cut that way, different snake, I don't have. But this is brown. Oh no, I'm scared. They go right here, this area. Oh my goodness, lot of snake here in my yard. That, look at that guy. Shh. Kasi guy, very hot today guy. Huh? Na, tuwa na po daan. Look at that. I don't know what kind of snake is that. Hey. Look at you. Shh. You need to be careful to roy ng arang guy. Because the snake. Shh. But that is not tall guy. The other black is not tall. Let's see the other side. Let's see the other side guy. Maybe the snake is unbeaten. Wala guy. Right here, black siya guy over. Over here is black. But it's not sunbeaten today. I think because very hot now. I need to harvest that guy. Oh. The paper because touching na in the soil. But still have one right there. This one I need to cut this. It's very huge, no? Ano siya guys? This one I need to cut this. Because if you don't cut that one, okay, going ano siya. It's going. I think we need to cut some of the ano guy. That leaves. Still have another everything. Hopefully give lot of ano. I like this workout gym guy. We bought this in ano, in Salvation Army. Because have pocket oh. We put my phone right here. Very nice. And then in the yard there. How beautiful. Okay. Very nicely. Yung picture good ko. Picture good. Hi guys, good morning everyone and welcome to our channel Babes Life in the US. ROOTD today guys. I wear my own jewelry. This one. Let's go guys. See you later in the store. Mga tire ni Babes. Si Larson pa yan. My idol. My idol race car driver. We make this guy my jewelry. And look, let's go guy, waiting to the Uber. Lot of star. But I see guy, even have lot of star in the lens. But I still see clear. Hi guys, we're na at the house guys. Unboxing tayo guys. We went to Food Lion. Oh, ice cream. Been long time not eating ice cream. Blue Bell ice cream. This is our favorite ice cream. Need to put in the freezer guys. Need to put in the freezer. This one, crispy onion ring. This one, traditional larger. This is beer. I think this is beer. Okay. This one. And that's it then, because that is frozen. Usually everything is frozen. And this one guy, because if you buy 5 guy, only $1 each, and then if you buy one, look like $95 something like that. So much better you need to grab 5 because the price only half only. Put this in the freezer, no? The corn. Put in the freezer. And that's it guy in ano guy. In Food Lion. I'm not buying too much in Food Lion guy because that area is pricey. So we grab only few stop over there. And we spend $20. And we went to ano guy, to Goodwill guy. So we buy this. Only this is brand new. Lot of stuff over there brand new. And because I like the design, so we grab this guy. It's really good. Goodwill guy, very pricey. $5 na $4.95. And we bought also flat shoes guys. So I'm not worried to walk whole day if you wear this. If you getting older guys. Sometimes it's hard to wear hard to wear high heel. This is $7 guys. $7 in Goodwill. And that's it guys. So In Goodwill, they give 10% discount, be. So we spend $10.75 and that's it, be. Thank you for watching and bye.